Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Job Dictionary from WordList, I'm going to show you another amazing Python plugin that you can download from our Python plugin store. You can use this new feature with word lists that are produced using the Analyze Documents function, so keep that in mind. To start out, I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store. And at the top of the list, I see Auto Job Dictionary. I'm going to download that plugin and click OK. And next I'll go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. And I'm going to choose Auto Job Dictionary once again and enable it. I'll restart Eclipse as requested. And once I'm back in Eclipse, if I go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, we see that it tells us it's going to add a Tools Real-Time Job Dictionary button to my menus. So if I go to Tools, Real-Time, I see that I have Job Dictionary from WordList. I'm going to choose this option. I'm going to give my dictionary a name, or you can select an existing dictionary. Next, I'm going to choose the word list that I want to process and get entries for. In this case, I have created a list of a few 7-syllable words, and we will have it create entries for the job dictionary automatically for those words. I'll press OK. And you'll see that as each word is processed, it's counted. And Eclipse will tell you when it's moved on to the next word. Okay, and so you see that once it's done, I automatically get any number of different entries for each word. This way, no matter how I might phonetically write something, the job dictionary should have my back. This way you can prepare for specific medical or other specialist testimonies. In just a few minutes, Eclipse was able to produce a job dictionary catered just to my needs that contains a multitude of entries for all of the words I asked it for. So rather than having to choose steno for each of the words, Eclipse simply used the information in the plugin to create steno entries. And you might be thinking, what if I don't like that steno? And that's a perfectly reasonable supposition. And if that's the case, we can help you modify the code so that you do like the steno that you get when you use this feature. So if you do use Auto Job Dictionary, but you don't feel like the steno is useful to you, give us a call and we'll help you customize this plugin so that you get results that will help you put your best foot forward every day. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.